back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look because I tried out the new Patrick Starrr and MAC collection, and let me tell you, it is bomb, you guys. Anyways, you guys are going to see all the deets in this video. I'll just do a quick rundown or run through or whatever of the products that I got because I didn't get the whole collection. So first thing I got was the eyeshadow palette. I got one of them, the Goal Getter one, which is this, and it comes with 4 of MAC's already existing shades. The first one here is called Soft Brown. This here is Amber Light. This is called Swiss Chocolate, and this is called I'm Into It. So I used all of them on my eyes today to achieve this look. And then I also picked up the Patrick Starrr Mama Star lipstick, which looks like this. The packaging is so cute for everything, but this is what the color looks like. It's almost like a pinky nude kind of shade, and that's what I have on my lips right now. And I also picked up the Mama Star lip gloss, and this is actually what the packaging looks like. I didn't show you guys that part, but all of the packaging is like this. So all of the products are like this. It's like holographic, and then it says MAC Patrick Starrr on it. So I picked up the Mama Star lip gloss. This is what this one looks like. Also that pinky nude shade. And then last but not the least, I picked up the MAC Patrick Starrr setting powder because I feel like this is like the highlight of the whole collection. And it looks like this. And I use that to set my face today. And do you see the way my face is looking flawless? Do you guys see this? But yeah, anyways, stay tuned for the tutorial. But I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you get into the video, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up as well if you do like it. And yeah, follow me on all of my social media, which is down here, and I'll see you all in my next video. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, welcome back, guys. So we're just going to start off with a quick disclaimer. My hands are very ashy, so try not to pay too much attention to it. It's actually bugging me as I edit this video. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. Anyways, you want to start off by priming your skin. I'm using a Tarte primer. And now I'm going to be applying some foundation. And this is my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the shade 23 Ginger. I'm just placing that on my skin. It's really nice and full coverage, but it still looks very natural, which is why I love it, and it matches my skin really well. So that's that. And then we're moving on to eyebrows. I'm filling in my brows using this Rimmel London brow eye kohl pencil, and then I'm just cleaning it up using the Eligo Warm Honey concealer. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to just start by priming my eyes, and I'm using the Essence Cosmetics I Love Color eyeshadow primer. So just prep the eyes for the eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this shade right here. So this is called Soft Brown. I'm going to start off with that one, and I'm just going to place this in my crease. This is going to be my transition color. And I'm going to go in with the next shade, which is called Swiss Chocolate, which is this one right here, and I'm going to just place that just slightly lower in the crease, just to add some more definition to the eyes. I love this palette because it's great like for travel and stuff, because it just has these nice colors that not like normally I would wear these colors. I like how it has a mix of mattes and shimmers as well, and the colors are very pigmented. You guys already know MAC shadows are bomb, so I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm just going to take the darkest color, which is I'm Into It, this one right here, the burgundy shade, and I'm just going to place that on the outer corners of my eyes. So just right here. And the brush I'm using is the Luxie Beauty 227 blending brush. I absolutely love this brush. So I'm going to take some concealer and just use that to cut my crease. Now I'm going to just grab Amber Light, which is the gold shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pack that on my eyelid. Spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm using the Sigma E54 brush to apply. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I'm just going to blend the transition area. I'm looking for color to pop in the highlights. I want something that really stands out. So I'm going to go into my Tarte Pro palette and I'm going to use the color Glam. Lining my eyes using the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. I'm going to use some mascara. This is the Stila Forever Your Curl mascara. This has a really small one, so it really grabs onto my lashes, like each eyelash. I love it for bottom lashes as well, because it really makes them pop. Then I'm going to put on the style Chanel, and this is from RD Beauty. Alright guys, so while I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to apply some concealer. For concealer today, I'm going in with the LA Girl Warm Honey Concealer. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in Mahogany and use this to contour my face. So I'm going to just take my beauty blender and use this to blend everything out. Alright you guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for, the Patrick STARRR setting powder. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender to apply this, and I really want to see how it bakes, or if I can even bake with it, and if it will give me any flashback. And I'm going to just use a fluffy brush to use this to set the rest of my foundation. Now to warm up my skin, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm basically just going to use this as my bronzer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot my lashes. Wow. I'm going to pop on some highlighter, and this is the Sephora Micro Smooth Luminizer in Stardust, which looks like this. It's actually gold, but it looks white in the pan. It reminds me of Trophy Wife, but not as intense, you know? Like a more subtle version of Trophy Wife. So now I'm going to use some blush, and for blush today I'm just using my City Colors blush as usual. And what color should I use? I'll just go in with this bronzy one right here. this blush is pigmented. I always forget how pigmented it is. But my face looks flawless though, like I can't even lie with this freaking powder. What? Just dusting off the excess powder. I'm gonna contour my nose using my Tarte palette, using this powder right here, and I'm just going to use that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to start off by lining my lips with my my Kiss New York Roasted Coffee Lip Liner. Then I'm going to put on the Mama Star lipstick. Okay, and then we're just going to put the Mama Star lip gloss on top. Anyways, I'm just going to finish this off. I think I want to go for a nude liner today, just because. Dark brown here, just on the lower lash line. So I'm going to just finish everything off with some MAC Fix Plus.
For this life I cannot change. It is keep off in the rain. M&M's sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change.